Please keep spreading the word, and as always, feed your instinct, Primal Eats. Filmins, keep the swear words, cuss words down. You just have to step next door to the bar and ask them what you would like. I'm so sorry, Bo.
It's okay. We can keep going.
We have had an awesome time serving everybody. We've had big... Again, I'm not even thinking about what I'm saying. I'm just trying to talk, so... All right.
I'm just rolling.
Oh, well, hey. Very good. Today we get to harvest our arugula. Nah. All right. All you have to do is come to the window and... Nope. Just come to the window right here and we'll be able to hook you up. That's the part I got to work out.
I am so glad this man is with us. He's a good guy.
Yeah, let's do this. I'll show you what I've been talking about for a long time.
I suppose you gotta learn it, huh? Whoa! Whoa!
And we're waiting for you. Feed your instinct, Primal Eats. I'll just wing it in. And be sure to visit our bar right next door and get a free soft drink. Thanks again. The end was a little wonky.
Try it again.
Let's just see it. I don't even know what I'm looking like. And then to top it off, we're going to give you some of our cobbler dessert that you can go out to our ice cream stand and fill up and top off with your favorite dessert. And we'll get you a piece of our delicious pizza. Oh, that's not good. I don't like how I sound at the end there. Am I a diva? All right. Hi. Feed your instinct, Primal Eats.
That was a good take. Let's do that again, except let's move the bread.
Good call. And if you've never had it on a pizza before, I strongly recommend it. It just can't be beat. Macaroni, man. Macaroni.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Woo! We will be here waiting. Thanks again. It's so cheesy. That's so cheesy. I don't like that one.